Hi, welcome back to the channel. Gasoline quality can significantly impact a vehicle's performance, engine longevity, and even fuel efficiency. Not all gasoline brands are created equal, with some considered top tier due to their higher standards, superior additives, and rigorous testing. Top tier gasoline is a designation developed to signify brands that meet specific quality standards set by major automotive manufacturers. These standards go beyond the minimum requirements set by government regulators, focusing particularly on detergent additives that help keep engines cleaner. This guide covers what makes gasoline top tier, which brands offer top tier gasoline, and why choosing it can benefit your vehicle in the long run. Top tier gasoline refers to fuel that has passed rigorous testing and meets higher standards for detergent additives, which help prevent deposits from forming in critical engine parts. The top-tier detergent gasoline program was launched in 2004 by several automakers, including BMW, General Motors, Honda, Toyota, and others, in response to issues caused by low-quality gasoline with minimal detergents. These companies recognized that insufficient detergent levels in gasoline led to carbon buildup, which could cause engine knocking, increased emissions, and reduced performance. Top-tier gas requires gasoline brands to use a higher level of detergent additives, which helps maintain cleaner intake valves, fuel injectors, and combustion chambers. Over time, using top-tier gasoline can result in better fuel efficiency, smoother engine performance, and potentially lower maintenance costs. Gasoline brands must meet the standards of the top-tier detergent gasoline program to display the top-tier logo, a symbol that assures consumers of its quality. The main benefits of using top-tier gasoline are improved engine performance, cleanliness, and longevity. Some of the primary advantages include the higher detergent content in top-tier gasoline helps reduce the buildup of carbon deposits, particularly in the intake valves and fuel injectors. Over time, this can keep engines running smoothly and prevent rough idling or poor acceleration. Engines with fewer deposits operate more efficiently as the gasoline burns more completely. This can lead to better fuel economy over time, allowing drivers to save on fuel costs. Cleaner engines produce fewer harmful emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment and making it easier for vehicles to pass emissions tests. By minimizing carbon buildup, top-tier gasoline can extend an engine's lifespan, reducing wear and tear on essential components, and potentially avoiding costly repairs down the road. Several major gasoline brands meet the top-tier standards and provide high-quality gasoline. Here are some of the most well-known top-tier gasoline brands in the United States. Shell is one of the largest and most popular gasoline brands worldwide. Its top-tier gasoline, known as Shell V-Power Nitro Plus, is specially formulated with additional detergents to protect against gunk and corrosion. Shell claims that its V-Power Nitro Plus premium gasoline offers the highest level of cleaning for engines, which helps keep valves, fuel injectors, and combustion chambers in top shape. Chevron's gasoline, known as Techron, is another highly rated top-tier fuel. Techron contains a proprietary blend of additives designed to protect the engine and reduce carbon buildup. Techron is recognized for its effectiveness in cleaning fuel injectors and intake valves, which can enhance fuel efficiency and performance. Both Exxon and Mobil offer top-tier gasoline under the Synergy label. The Synergy lineup includes regular, mid-grade, and premium gasoline options, all formulated with additional detergents to keep engines cleaner. Exxon and Mobil are also known for their high standards in fuel refinement and testing, making them reliable choices for top-tier gasoline. BP and its Amoco brand offer top-tier gasoline that includes an advanced detergent package aimed at reducing engine deposits. BP's top-tier gasoline is known for its reliability and effectiveness in protecting engines over long-term use, making it a popular choice among drivers. Surprisingly to some, Costco gasoline is also considered top-tier. Costco's gasoline includes high-quality detergents similar to those in other premium brands, yet it is often more affordable, making it a budget-friendly option for drivers looking for quality fuel without a high price tag. Additional top-tier gasoline brands include Quick Trip, RCO, Texaco, and Sinclair. Each of these brands meets top-tier standards, making them solid choices for anyone interested in protecting their engine and maximizing performance. Opting for top-tier gasoline is a wise decision for vehicle owners who want to maintain engine cleanliness and efficiency. Even though it may sometimes be slightly more expensive than non-top-tier gasoline, the benefits often justify the additional cost. The detergents in top-tier gasoline keep fuel injectors, valves, and other critical components free from carbon deposits, ensuring that the engine runs more efficiently. While using top-tier gasoline isn't required for all cars, many automakers recommend it. Even if a vehicle doesn't explicitly require top-tier gasoline, using it can still improve fuel efficiency and prevent long-term engine issues. This choice is especially advantageous for high-performance and newer cars, where clean engine components can significantly impact performance and emissions. In summary, top-tier gasoline brands like Shell, Chevron, ExxonMobil, and BP provide higher quality gasoline that keeps engines cleaner, longer lasting, and more efficient. These brands meet the standards set by major car manufacturers, offering gasoline that goes beyond basic requirements by including additional detergent additives. By choosing top-tier gasoline, drivers can benefit from better fuel economy, reduced emissions, and a smoother driving experience. While top-tier gasoline may cost a bit more, the advantages in engine performance and longevity make it a worthwhile investment for many vehicle owners. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.